Backyard Pro has all the accessories you need to complete your outdoor kitchen. Backyard Pro offers versatile attachments for your Backyard Pro liquid propane grills, such as pizza ovens, smoker boxes, charcoal trays, griddles, and steam table adapters. These accessories attach to every grill regardless of size. The pizza ovens feature ceramic stones for even heat distribution and dome ceilings that create heating patterns of a wood-fired brick oven. These convenient attachments allow you to cook fresh pizza using your grill, eliminating the need to purchase a separate pizza oven. These units are great for catered events or fast-paced applications. The smoker box adds signature wood-smoked flavor to your burgers, steak, vegetables, and other grilled products. This easy-to-clean box is constructed of stainless steel and fits on any burner. The charcoal tray converts your liquid propane grill to a charcoal grill by easily attaching it underneath the cooking grates. The tray is easy to clean and features durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. Perfect for hot dogs and hamburgers, this unit provides your customers with the signature flavor of char-grilled foods. The griddle attachment features durable, half-inch thick, cold-rolled steel. This attachment allows you to modify your existing grill top by providing a flat cooking surface for a variety of products. The unit includes a full-width grease well for easy cleaning. This line also offers a steam table adapter that keeps your food hot and organized. This adapter allows you to store different food products at one time for ultimate convenience. Incorporating dependability and durability, Backyard Pro has all the accessories you need to maximize your cooking equipment.